This bag is the car spawner. Lol. Car spawner. I heard that there was a fireworks show today. Yeah, me too. Right, McQueen? Yeah, I heard there was a fireworks show today. Yeah, I've heard there was a fireworks show today.
Me too.
Me too. And viewers, you see my spoilers gone? Don't ask why my spoilers gone. Actually, the truth is, not Percy, Bobby beat me up and then he took off my spoiler. Remember Bobby? When he beat Jackson Storm up and then he took off his spoiler? Guys, there's a fireworks show outside. Let's go. Oh, yo, I heard there was a fireworks show tonight. Yo, this car is coming out. I'm Willie's son. Willie's son. Should I flip the camera? Nope. I deserve not to flip it. But it's better for camera viewers. Yup. Oh, I heard it was a new flashback. Chickcakes, don't turn your back on the camera. Zachary, Chickcakes is turning around on the camera. Bruh. He's part of the team, dude. This dude from the team. Zach, they can see ya. The viewers can see you. Zachary, they can see you. They can hear you talking. Now, we heard there was a fireworks show, right? I know. Don't use the iPad, Zach. It's gonna ruin the fireworks show. Don't think about it. Yeah, we heard there was a fireworks show tonight. Are you guys ready for the fireworks show tonight? Yeah! Beep, 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 doo, doo, beep, doo, doo, beep. I'm ready to watch the fireworks show. Raise your hand if you're ready. All those in favor who are ready for the fireworks show, say aye. 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 And all I care about is my chicken on my wings. Seriously, chicken on your wings? I. Did anyone forget about me? By the way, subscribe to Squad Boy Sus right now. David? Oh, not this again. I'm Jimmy. Hello, I'm Jimmy. My top speed is 180 miles an hour. Cool. Yeah, that's cool. And I'm not a Plymouth Superboard bird. Go, everyone make a row. I want to be in front of McCool. I want to be next to Bobby. Out of your way, Jackson Letty Storm. Hey, yo, you're weird, bro. Punchy Wipeout, you should be in the front. The Musketeers.
Sorry, that's mine. Time for some candy.
And there's more cars coming. Woo! I can't wait to see the fireworks show. Woo! Woohoo! Zach, you're about to see the fireworks show. Woohoo! I can't wait to see the fireworks show. The fireworks show is gonna start, guys. Okay, everyone, turn. All cars turn. Turn to the screen. Turn. Turn, all cars turn to the screen, turn. Oh, I can't wait to see it. I can't wait. Me neither. Me too.
Cars.
You're not allowed to go front. There's no more seats in the front. Okay, are you ready to see the show? Are you ready to see the show? The fireworks show.
The fireworks show.
It starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, fireworks! Wow, look at the fireworks show that we're watching. It's so cool. Right, Zach? Wow! Well, this is, I can't say that I don't know what fireworks anymore. I love them! Me too. Me 3, me 4, me 4. I'm a queen. Me 5, me 6, me 7. Wow, it's so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh, wow. I wish I could see them in real life. Well, you can't see them in real life. Only if you just do this. This is even better. It's even nighttime. Wow, wow. How long does the fireworks last for? You guys have no idea. Whoa, that was huge and iconic. Huge. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh, wow.
The fireworks.
Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Captain, why are you not watching? You're not allowed to sit in the front. You have to sit somewhere else. You don't need to sit in the back. You can sit right here. Wow! This is so cool. Wow, this is so cool. Wow. Wow, so cool, lad. Huh? Everyone, that's a wrap. The fireworks show is over. The fireworks show is over. That's a wrap. Aww, that's a wrap. Zach, please stop playing music. Otherwise, it's going to make it even more not